What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I did promise you I'd be back with dividend stocks and REITs. This REIT is making a comeback, and I'm adding it to my dividend portfolio. Made some changes. I didn't sell anything, but I'm gonna start allocating some funds into the REITs because this one's making a comeback. It's came back strong since the pandemic. And I'm going to show you what it's made of. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out this REIT right now. We're going to talk about a REIT that has done extremely well against the S&P 500. That is Welltower. Sitting at 159.05, it has a dividend yield of 1.69%. Now, who cares about PE ratio? That's a REIT. Average volume is 3.18 million. The market cap is 104.01 billion US dollars. Your range is 105.86 to 159.57. Stay range is 156.96 to 159.57. Its previous closes 157.63. So you notice that it's done extremely well, and it's made a serious comeback. So we're going to talk about Welltower right now. WELL is the symbol for this REIT. And man, since past 5 years, it's been up 209.32% to the S&P 500 95.82%. So let's talk about Welltower. It's an S&P 500 company. It's one of the world's preeminent residential wellness and healthcare infrastructure companies. They seek to position their portfolio of 1,500 plus seniors and wellness housing communities in the intersection of housing, healthcare, and hospitality, creating vibrant communities for mature renters and older adults in the United States, United Kingdom, and Canada. So you got 3 countries. They also strive to support physicians and outpatient medical buildings with the critical infrastructure needed to deliver quality care. They believe in their real estate portfolio is unmatched, located highly in attractive micro markets with stunning built environments. Yet, they're an unusual real estate organization, as they view themselves as an operating company and real estate wrapper driven by relationships in an unconventional culture. Through their disciplined approach to capital allocation powered by data science platform and superior operating results driven by their operating platform, the Welltower business system aspires to deliver long-term compounding per-share growth and returns for existing investors, our North Star. So we have a lot of good things, okay? They're in 3 countries, 1,500 plus seniors and wellness housing communities. So we need to look a little bit more into them. So here's some data. Welltower has experienced consistent revenue growth over the past few years. Specifically, the company's annual revenue has increased from $6.638 billion in 2023 to $8.554 billion for the 12 months ending in March 31st, 2025. This represents a 23.32% increase year over year, according to macro trends. Furthermore, the pre-tax income has also shown a significant rise, increasing by 28.55% year over year in the same period. So that's some good things. And again, this is AI has helped. I combine Google and macro trends with some data. So I also want to show you the pre-tax income growth. Similar to revenue, pre-tax income has also seen substantial growth with a 49.82% increase from 2024 and 28.55% increase for the 12 months ending in March 31st, 2025. So what's the big thing that we always look for in REITs? It's not PE, it's FFO. So let's look at the funds for operation and how they've done. We got good FFO, we got good revenue, we appear to be in pretty good shape. So Welltower, reported strong first quarter results for 2025, with normalized FFO per share exceeding estimates and the same store NOI growth showing significant increases in various segments. Specifically, the company saw a 12.9% growth in the total portfolio, same store NOI, with senior housing operating SHO portfolio experiencing a 21.7% increase. Furthermore, Welltower's full year FFO guidance was raised to 4.90 or 490 to 504 per share. FFO and revenue, so let's go over that, surpassed estimates. That's a good thing. So to beat Zacks, that's pretty good. So that's a good thing. FFO and revenue surpassed estimates. The Welltower's first quarter of 2025 normalized FFO share of 120, and it beats Zacks' consensus estimate of 1.15. So if you beat Zacks, that's pretty freaking good. That is really good. So the funds for operation are increasing, okay? And I'll just show you the trends of the FFO for Welltower. So here's a breakdown of the recent performance, okay? First quarter of 2025, normalized FFO per diluted share is 120, representing an 18.8% increase. The growth outpaced industry averages. Full year of 2024, normalized FFO per diluted share was 432 or $4.32, an 18.7% increase compared to 2023. And fourth quarter of 2024, normalized FFO per share grew 17.7% year over year to 113, topping the 112 consensus according to MSN.com. So we have some good things. And again, people are getting older, people are getting sicker, the demand for health care is getting higher. So that means that Welltower is going to be high in demand, and it makes sense why they're generating a lot of revenue and FFO is strong. But let's check out their dividend history. So you can see some problems starting in 2018 on, okay? The dividend was at 87 cents. It was stagnant. And then you see in 2020, it was at 61 cents. Then jumped to 67 cents. So you're going to say to yourself, what is going on? Well, of course, during the pandemic, if you see their portfolio and what we went over, makes sense why they're not making money and they had to do a cut. So they're starting to make a comeback right now. And it took a while for some of these REITs, like EPR properties, to make a comeback. So they're finally starting to make some noise. This is why I like buying REITs. This is why I was very patient with a lot of REITs. So you see a payout ratio of 60%, according to Zacks. Dividend growth in 5 years is 1.82%. Sure, it's finally recovering from the pandemic. Dividend yield is 1.68%, and if you bought one share, you made $268. So there's a lot of upside with Welltower, and I'm very excited to start buying shares of Welltower. And I will stand by that. I will be buying shares of Welltower soon. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so not miss future videos. I will try to squeeze in a shorts for you tomorrow. Take care and have a good one, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money, so be aware and do your due diligence. Go to a financial advisor for financial advice. go to a tax advisor for tax advice. I'm going to tell you that 1,000 times with the number of videos I've posted. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will continue to post videos for you guys. Very excited to buy some of these new REITs, and I'm going to post videos on these new REITs that I have been buying. Take care and have a great Monday.